Hey YouTube, what's going on? This is Dan, Permaculture. Alright, welcome back to another video, and I hope you guys are having a great day. Alright, in this video we're going to be doing some harvest of pumpkins, and I think I may harvest some papaya as well, but the main part of this video is the pumpkin harvest. It's also a Shed Wars video. Alright, so let's get into it. Yeah, let's straight into it. All right, let's go. All right, guys, we're gonna walk over to where the pumpkins are. All right, I think this is a long neck pumpkin, so this is one of the pumpkin we're gonna harvest here. So the vine is all dying back, so I think it's definitely ready. You see, this is not green anymore right here. Have that yellow look. Let's go over and see more. There's quite a few of them here. There's one here. This is much smaller. Mine is dying back. And there's one more here, so we're gonna harvest these, and there's a few more we're gonna harvest as well. I'll show you the rest. All right guys, so we're gonna go harvest that pumpkin now. All right, guys. Wow, nice pumpkin.
Remember, grow your own food. Look at the size of the pumpkin, guys.
Alright, another one here. See, this is all dried up, so you know it's ready. Alright, so another pumpkin getting harvested. Nice color. I remember these could store so long too. Probably could have it for a good 6 months. Yeah, this one is definitely ready. So the vine is all shriveled up. Let's just cut it off. Looking good, guys. So far, that's the harvest so far. Let's see, I think we have more. Yep. More pumpkin, guys. Alright guys, I'm gonna harvest papaya as well too. There's a couple more I'm gonna harvest on the other side too. So this is a papaya. Yep, kinda a little bit overripe, but it's okay. I'll go get a few more. Alright guys, so this is the harvest. This is the harvest the papayas. Harvest some papayas here, harvest some pumpkin here. So we're gonna weigh, I wanna weigh this to show you guys how much, what are we looking at here, alright? So that's what the harvest for today. Alright, and I'm gonna plant more. Okay, we have a long season here in Florida, so I'm gonna be planting more pumpkin seeds. I still have 2 vines there, but I like planting multiple vines just to see, yeah, what it produces. All right, let's get the papaya. Let's see. Put this back to 0, 0, 0. Pick it up. Oh, this is 6 pounds. You see that? 6 pounds. So that's 4. Alright, so that's the scale. Empty bag. So let's add these. Let's add this in. First 3 big ones. Let's see how much this actually weighs. Let's see. Let's power it on. Can you see? Okay, good. Power it on. Alright, 0, 0. Alright, let's see. Okay, so this is 10 pound 38. You see that? Okay. Alright, let's empty this and go to the next one. Let's go over here. Alright, empty. We're gonna add the small ones. Okay, so that's 6 pounds. That's 6 and 6, 12 plus 10. So that's 22 pounds. Okay. Yeah, YouTube. So this is, you know, my pumpkin harvest and the papaya harvest. So listen, these are some of the reasons I love growing my own food. And this actually gonna give you guys a quick story. This is my first time ever growing pumpkin, and this is the result. The seed in the ground, this is the result. Some may believe, some may don't, but this is the result from just stepping outside, just planting it somewhere, and it grows. You just never know. All right, so listen, thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day.